What's up, guys? So I'm out here paddleboarding and it's so much fun. Guys, Eli Valderrama here in the beautiful beaches of Puerto Peñasco, Mexico. One of the best things to do when you're out here is to go paddleboarding. It's kid-friendly, it's fun, it's a family event, couples event. You can also do kayaks. And we have two magnificent people here, Donia and Earnie, with SUPing the Sea. SUPing the Sea! My goodness, I can't get that. Okay, anyway, you guys, I want to introduce you real quick. Donia, where can I find you online?
Online, you can find us at supingthesea.com. You can email us at lovetosup@outlook.com, and you can also find us on Facebook, Supping the Sea, or at Rocky Point Paddleboarding.
Yeah. Earnie, how long have you guys been doing this?
We've been permitted since March of 16, I believe.
And you love these boards, why?
We use boards. We think they work really well out here in the Sea of Cortez. They're inflatable boards, which is hard to believe, so they're not hard boards. So when people are first practicing out paddleboarding and people haven't done it too often, if people fall and so on, they don't get hurt.
Yeah.
But they work extremely well out here because they provide you a lot of balance. For a lot of folks that haven't done, and they're also versatile because some of them have seats, as you can see. We provide all safety equipment that will require, like leashes, inflatable PFDs that we can show you, whistles. We have waivers and everything, and we'll provide instructions for folks that have never done it before.
Awesome. And is this like the funnest thing ever?
It's fun for all ages. I mean, it's such a cliche, but it's true, especially out here in the Sea of Cortez. These are friends of ours out here. They're just dying to do it as well. They're out there paddling or kayaking right now, and they're just going out there and enjoying it.
We have our mascot with us.
Do the dogs ever go out on the paddleboards?
She does at times.
She will sometimes, but she wants to dive in when it's too far out.
Yeah.
She has to swim in because she's too big to get back on.
I love it. Thanks, you guys.
You're welcome. We're gonna have fun.
The other way?
¿No? Está bien padre, ¿verdad?
Sí, la verdad sí.
Obed, you got this. You got this, Obed. Thank you, Donia and Earnie, for inviting us to come paddleboarding. We're having such a great time. Obed? Dude, I already fell once. Obed already fell once. We're having a great time. It feels so good. The water is beautiful. It's such a great event. And they teach you how to do everything. You guys got to come out.